Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 15th February 2025. In a move that could make it easier to scrutinize cryptocurrency and other virtual digital assets, the new income tax bill introduced in the Lok Sabha on Thursday, empowers tax authorities to demand codes for access to electronic systems during surveys and searches. Section 247 of the bill broadens search and seizure powers of income tax authorities, covering access not only to physical and local assets but also digital records and virtual spaces. OpenAI's board of directors has formally rejected an offer from a group of investors led by Elon Musk to buy the non-profit that controls the artificial intelligence company for Rs. $97.4 billion. OpenAI is not for sale, and the board has unanimously rejected Mr. Musk's latest attempt to disrupt his competition. Bret Taylor, OpenAI's chairman, said in a statement Friday on behalf of the board. Maxivision, the South India's eye care hospital chain, led by industry veteran GSK Velu, is now eyeing expansion in Western India and has earmarked Rs. 500 crore investment fund for Maharashtra. The firm is also setting its sights on the stock market debut, with plans to go public within the next 2 years. The company has announced partnership with Ojas Group of Eye Hospitals to strengthen its presence in Mumbai, where it plans to establish 5 new hospitals next year. The Income Tax Department of India has introduced a new utility tool designed to assist taxpayers in navigating the transition from the existing Income Tax Act 1961 to the proposed Income Tax Bill 2025. This tool allows users to compare specific sections of the current Act with the corresponding clauses in the new bill, facilitating a clearer understanding of the changes and continuities in the tax legislation. The government's proposal to allow foreign law firms in India is expected to intensify competition. But the question remains whether international and domestic interests can be balanced, lawyers said. On Thursday, the government introduced the draft of the Advocates Amendment Bill 2025, which includes provisions to allow foreign law firms in India, empowering the central government to frame rules and shift the approval. Meta has announced a multi-billion-dollar investment in an undersea cable project to enhance connectivity in the Indian Ocean region. The project, which will span over 50,000 kilometers and connect 5 continents, coincides with Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's US visit and aims to support India's growing demand for digital services. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.